Hello creative people, let me show you how to do the fuel gel at home, what will be like 4 times quicker than you buy it on the market. So there's several ways to do it, and the quickest one, I think we take the calcium acetate and we mix it with water. So if you have some chemical factory, or basically it's one of the food preservatives, and we mix it if we take 100% of calcium acetate, we need 150% of water to mix it up. So we need to take some time until it will be absorbed and will be clear like normal water. So let's say if you take 100 grams of calcium acetate, you need 150 grams of water, and then we'll mix it with the alcohol. Can be methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. It's 99%, because if you take like 80 or 70 whatever, it will be less flammable, and probably methyl alcohol will be better, but still we can try it. Okay, it takes some time, like at least a few minutes for mix it up, for make it absorb. And when you will finish it, when you will get a gel, you need to put to some container, otherwise the alcohol is vaporing quite quick. So you can take any convenient place, and then we add the alcohol here. So basically it's immediate reaction. So we add 8 times more alcohol than we have the calcium acetate. So if we here take the 100 gram of calcium acetate, we need 800 milliliters of the alcohol. So let's test it. So it looks like that. The problem with the ethyl alcohol is get white quite quick, with some reason. So immediately you need to put in some container. Yeah, it's cool. Really nice flame. If you add more alcohol, let's say 9 or 1000 milliliters, it might be not that jelly, then you see it now. Yeah, and you can use for all of the purposes. It's usually for the hiking or whatever. Another way to do it, if you cannot buy any calcium acetate in the powder, you can take the normal calcium, and then let's say if you have 20% of calcium, like 20 grams, you need to add acetic acid, which you can buy in any store, vinegar, 5-6% to 10, whatever you can find. On 20% you need 100% of acetic acid. It means if 20 gram of calcium, pure calcium, or anything where you can take off, eggshells, whatever, piece of chalk used in school, you need 100 ml of acetic acid. Then you boil it up for make it like 50% of liquid you had, and then you need to filter it, and you have the same acetic acid what we got just right here. So if you wait a bit more, it becomes like a more white color. It's quite weird. Also you can add some oils for make the more or less nice smell, or some colors for make a different flame color, and so on. Or you can do it another way, like with a glycerin, like a hand sanitizer, but basically it will be less amount of alcohol, so it means there will be less flames, and basically it's can burn for quite a long time for make the place heat or any other purposes you want. So simplest is that, so you can do it at home easily. If you like such creative videos, hit me up, I can make some more.